Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Chelsea. If you are not new, thanks for coming back. If you are not already, please do subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Sometimes they might be a little bit late, like an hour or two, or a full day. But you know what? I don't do this full time. This is just a hobby, but I appreciate you anyways. So sometimes your girl needs just a little bit of a break. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I am CC Suarez Makeup on both of those. In this video today, we'll be reviewing this season's deck of Scarlets. If you are not aware of what Deck of Scarlet is, it is a makeup subscription. Every 2 months, not 1 month, every 2 months, you get a makeup palette with all the products that you need to make a full face. So eyeshadow, lip products, lip topper possibly, and blush and highlight. And it's only $29.95 every 2 months. So if you think about it, that's cheaper than what you'd be paying at Sephora or Ulta or anywhere else to be able to get a full face of like good products. So before I just keep on rambling, let's go ahead and get right on into this video. So one thing that I love is that every month they pick a different YouTuber to collab with. That is their, what do they call it? Their artist-in-chief of the season. And this time it is Kim Tai. And so it just has like a little blurb from her on here and her social media. And this is what the palette looks like. Comes in this little sleeve. So, like I said, it comes with a full face. So there are 2 lip colors. And then also in the box was this lip gloss. It's very, very shimmery and pretty. Okay, so like I said, there are 2 lip colors right here. And this is actually one thing that I love, that this is separate than the 3 eyeshadows, the highlight, and the blush, because these are obviously powders and then this is a cream. So I cannot stand, I just feel like it's so like little kiddish when they put them in the same thing because I don't want them to touch. But if you think about it, this is covered, so this won't get touched. So I love, I love that they are separated. That like speaks to my heart. This is so pretty. So there's 2 matte shades. There's obviously transition, a pop of color, and then just more of like a shimmery, it kind of actually looks like a duochrome. Let's see, possibly. Yeah, like a peachy, yeah, I guess so. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of swatches, okay? Okay, so if you follow Kim Tai, let me know in the comments below. If you have used, oh my God, that's gorgeous. I was not expecting that. If you are like a subscriber of hers, you know, let me know. Oh, that one wasn't as good. There we go. Okay, that's better. If you have used Deck of Scarlet, if you like are a oh, that one's really smooth, like a subscriber of their service, let me know. I like the names of these too: Enchanted Crown, Myth, Tiara, and Fairy Dust. That's very smooth. Wow. That one's really pretty too. Oh my gosh. And then Tiara, obviously just a pink. That's pretty. I usually don't use blush, but for this video, I guess I will. And then also you don't have to just get the ones that are like in this palette. Like they have, like, you know how you have like Z palettes and stuff like that? Like you can get like their single ones and then just like put it in your Z palette, and they have like foil ones and matte ones, they have everything. So that's nice to know. I'm trying to be like super informative with this review, as you can tell. And also, just to buy anything off of their site, you don't have to be a subscriber. Obviously, the subscription service is more of just I'd say like a financially friendly aspect of it, which I like. I personally love subscription services. I like Scentbird a lot. Just like getting myself out of my comfort zone with like my normal perfumes. And then that one's every month. This one's obviously every 2 months. I like the idea of that because I used to do like Stitch Fix and things like that all the time, and it would just get too expensive. So I like that this is a set price and you're getting quality stuff. I mean, those swatches were really, really pretty. And I will have a whole lot of more information in my description box, but I feel like I should really just get on to doing a look. So I already have all of my makeup on my face. Usually I don't do my face first, but I didn't want to start this video with like no makeup on, even though I usually do that anyways, but it's okay. So we are just gonna go ahead and hop right on into this. I don't even know like what we're gonna do, but my eyelids are already primed. I use the NYX HD primer. It's the one I use every single time, and Tony like needs me to do chores because I like haven't really done much today, so I need to hurry up with this video. So I'm taking the color Myth right here, and I'm gonna put it in my crease. I know there's a lot of YouTubers that do like BoxyCharm like unboxing videos and other videos like that, so I kind of really want to start doing that because I feel like it's just easy content. And I personally love watching videos like that, like when Kathleen Lights does videos like those. I love it. All right, now that I have that all over my lids, it blended out very well, so that's good. And just so y'all know, this is my first time trying one of these, so I'm really excited. And I'm gonna take the color Crown and put it in my crease and in my outer corner as well. I don't really know what I'm doing with this look, but we're just kind of going. It's very pigmented. There we go. I kind of just want to like deepen it up with that pink. So it looks a little messy right now, but it's fine. I'm going to carve out my lid. We're gonna do like a half cut crease. I'm using NYX concealer and just I think this is MAC, I don't even know, just a random concealer brush that I use. And I'm going to draw like a line down here. And then I'm gonna look up and it kind of like gives me another line for how far to go. I need to make it bigger though. There we go. I'm gonna take the color Enchanted, this sparkly one. Oh my gosh, she's so funny. You could like see my face in my computer. Hello. Okay, enough being weirdo, Chelsea. I'm just using a flat shadow brush from Fanola. Gonna spray my brush. I don't know why I didn't do it first. I'm gonna spray my brush with this setting spray. I approve. I'm gonna take the Crown color again, that pink color, and put it in my outer corner. Just dab it on there so I can kind of like blend this and work it into the middle of my lash. Not my lash, my lid. And do the same thing on this side as well. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lower lash line. I like using this brush to do my lower lash line. It is the Morphe M432, and I'm going in with Crown, like I said. Then I'm gonna dab it like as close as I can. Or what I'll do is I'll place it there and like wiggle it a little bit, like without moving, like without bringing up the brush, you know? And then just to blend it out a bit, I'll like bring it down a tad. All right, so I already have on bronzer too though, just so y'all know. I did that. I did like all my face except for blush and highlight before, but I'm gonna, oh, damn, that's pigmented. Did I just say pigmented? I did. I'm taking my Morphe R10 brush and some Tiara. Okay, she's blendable. We're fine. Wow, a little bit goes a long way. And y'all know I'm not a blush gal, but like so much so that I gave my mom my new my new Anastasia little quad I had for blush, which was super cute, but I don't use it and she does. Okay, now with my Morphe E8, I am using Fairy Dust, and I mean, okay. I mean, all right. It's like, Scarlett, I don't know who you are, who you think you are, coming in here and just slaying my life away. But okay, girl. The true test will be the lips. Since I did a super pinky look, I'm gonna take Kiss and just this detailer brush from Real Techniques. Okay. And I wasn't gonna put this on because I already have like a pretty shimmery eye look of how pretty this is. And it smells so good. All right, guys, so my final verdict on this I keep wanting to say this month's, but it's seasonal. So of this season's deck of Scarlet palette, right? Palette. I really like it, like a lot. Like they just got a new customer. So keep in mind, this was sent to me. And at first I was like, but this is the jam. So they just got themselves a new customer, hello. And you bet your sweet tookus, I'm also gonna be using the discount code that they gave me, or like the discount link thing. So I'll have that in the description box as well. And it's 30% off, so it's only $21 for your first palette. And let me know if you want me to do like demos and unboxings and like style, like makeup try on things like this, because I personally love watching people do that with like BoxyCharm and things like that, like with the other subscription monthly things. So if you'd like me to, let me know in the comments below. I'm probably gonna do it anyways, even if you say no, because I really liked this a lot. So like I said in the beginning of this video, if you are not already subscribed, please do. It means the world to me if you subscribe and watch my videos and just hang out with me. It means so much to me. So please, pretty please do that. I will love you forever. Maybe like not forever, but like for a long time. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, except for this is going up on Tuesday because I can't post it until like this palette's released. So this week you will have an extra video. I hope you all enjoyed. I'm rambling, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Pick a different YouTuber to collab with. I have to do a slow-mo intro now.
A what?
A slow-mo intro. Can you leave? It's when I gotta look sexy at the camera.
I'm going to get ice cream, so.
Tony, I mean, what are we getting?
No, you're doing your thing.
Tony, please.
You haven't done any of this in here.
Can you just come give me a kiss?
No.
Walk through the minefield? Okay, but a chocolate chip milkshake! Mint chocolate chip! Mint chocolate chip! Okay, I'm coming!